Why does white noise help sleep, and are there other noises? Here's what you need to know about the science behind white noise and its benefits for sleep. My thanks to Ann Taylor for her article and the inspiration for this video. Read her whole article on LifeSavvy at the link listed. Have you ever had trouble falling asleep because of annoying noises like traffic or loud neighbors? If so, you might have heard about white noise as a way to block out these distractions and help you sleep better. But what exactly is white noise, and how does it work? Here's what you need to know about the science behind white noise and its benefits for sleep, as well as other types of sonic cues that can help you get a good night's rest. So what is white noise? White noise is a term that refers to a specific type of sound that promotes relaxation, concentration, and sleep. White noise spans the audio spectrum and contains all frequencies, making it where one sound doesn't overwhelm the other, said Dr. Michael Breus, Ph.D., and founder of thesleepdoctor.com. How do sonic cues help sleep? Sonic cues are different types of noise that have varying frequency distributions and can have different effects on our brains. While white noise is the most well-known type of sonic cue, there are other colors of noise that can also be used to promote better sleep. What other types of noise can help sleep? Each sonic cue represents a different set of frequencies, including brown noise, pink noise, and others. The type of noise you use to help you sleep will come down to your personal preferences. The differences between each are subtle, so it's best to try them out for yourself to see which works best for you. Pink noise is similar to white noise, but has a lower frequency range. It sounds more like a low rumble and is often compared to the sound of rainfall or waves crashing on the beach. Because it operates at a lower frequency, pink noise may help you sleep better if you find white noise distracting or harsh. Brown noise has an even lower frequency range than pink noise and sounds like a deep rumbling thunder. It can help promote relaxation and reduce stress levels, making it a good option for those who have trouble falling asleep due to anxiety or racing thoughts. It may even help people who suffer from ringing in their ears. Violet noise, also known as purple noise, is a type of noise that has more energy in the higher frequencies than in the lower frequencies, resulting in a spectral shape that is opposite to brown noise. Although it's different from brown noise, violet noise is also used to treat ringing in the ears. How to use noise for sleep? One option is to use a white noise machine, which can produce different types of noise to help block out external sounds. Many sound machines also come with pre-recorded nature sounds, such as rainforests or ocean waves, that can be soothing to listen to before bed. You might want to try a sleep app on your phone or tablet. These apps often have a variety of sonic cues to choose from and can also include guided meditations or relaxation exercises to help you fall asleep faster. Try listening to music before bed, choosing songs with a slower tempo and lower frequency range. Classical music or ambient music can be great options for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Sonic cues can be helpful for promoting better sleep, but they may not work for everyone. Some people may find that they are more sensitive to noise and prefer complete silence when they sleep. If you're consistently having trouble falling asleep, talk to your doctor to figure out why. The next time you find yourself struggling to fall asleep because of external noises, consider giving white noise or another type of sonic hue a try. Stay safe. Stay secure. I hope this helps you get some added deep sleep. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.